Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market ever since Bitcoin has crossed 88,000, it has definitely opened up the path for all the smaller altcoins to show something explosive. And the amount of money actually flowing into the crypto market right now is actually probably more than anything we have actually imagined before. Just to give you perspective, just talking about one industry, which is the meme coins category, Doge is doing some crazy numbers. Just today it's up another 45%, and this month it's up nearly 300%. And considering the fact that it's in the top 10 largest crypto by market cap, these are some crazy numbers. And at one point BNB and Dogecoin's market cap was so far-fetched that it was very impossible to see Dogecoin actually take over, but now it doesn't seem that far. And at the same time, the trading volume of Dogecoin is surpassing BNB by nearly 8 times. There are whales which are actually buying this pump. Just to give you perspective, this whale just today morning purchased nearly $10 million worth of Dogecoin. If this pump carries on, there is a very high chance that Dogecoin might be stopping at $1 before the end of November. The micro strategy of Dogecoin, this firm is amassing Doge as a treasury reserve asset, and much wow is now larger than one of the biggest companies in the world. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video. You'll just have to algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening to Dogecoin. They see the positive side, they decide to throw some money into it. It starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. Now, boys and girls, we need to talk about some important things first. Now, you can see that Dogecoin price is really hard to be able to predict at this point. What I'm trying to say is I have been mentioning how in 2021 the same exact thing happened. As you can see, there was an initial pump, then the market did decide to take a little bit of a pullback and then stayed in the slump for about 4 months. After that, in about 4 days, we saw a 600% increase. And something else that is very similar is what's happening right now. Exactly the same pattern is following. So this was the pump. We stayed in the slump for about 5 to 6 months, and now we are going explosive. If we follow what happened previously, that was close to a 600% increase in price. If we follow that same pattern, then from 10 cents, we will actually end up at 60 cents in the next coming 2 to 3 days. Now that's a big statement, I know, but I'm just trying to say at the rate we're growing, 60 cents does not seem very far-fetched, and the market cap is climbing so quickly, there is not much happening. But you need to understand, if we do climb to 60 cents, the market cap needs to climb another 50%. Therefore, the market cap will get very close to BNB, and very likely it might actually break it. And if Dogecoin makes it into the top 5 meme coins or just the altcoin crypto ever, that's going to be a big deal for the whole of the meme category, because that's never happened before. And right now, if we just talk about the trading volume, let's just say Doge is doing some big numbers. What I'm trying to say is after USDT, it's obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then it's actually Dogecoin. But what is even crazier is the fact that Doge is nearly halfway through Ethereum's trading volume. And that's a really strong statement again. Halfway through to Ethereum's trading volume means Doge has so much more potential to climb up to the market cap. Now, I know this is very far-fetched, but just to give you perspective, if you do want to match this, the Dogecoin's market cap should be hitting close to 100 billion just to make sure that it's actually sitting in the right spot in terms of market cap. But if you talk about the resistance that might be flowing through, first of all, the important resistance, which we're going to be close to 35 cents, have been broken really hard. This time, if we do see a little bit of a pullback, most likely the consolidation will occur close to 35 cents, because now it's going to act as a very strong support. But if we talk about the resistance moving forward from here, you can see that there is no really strong resistance that was made last time, but you can say close to 50 cents, we have seen a little bit of a wind. I wouldn't even call it resistance, because we might be able to break through 50 cents by tonight. I would not be surprised, because at the rate we're growing, we're already at 42 and we're up about 35% today. Now, this whale has purchased about $10 million worth of Dogecoin at 32 cents. They're up. Just to give you perspective, they're up 33%. Therefore, they're up $3 million just in a couple of hours. And A test of the middle or the upper boundary of the channel puts Dogecoin at $2.40 or 18 cents. Now these numbers seem so far-fetched, and even in my mind it seems too far to be true. But if we do cross $1, it would be kind of insane. That's just my perspective. Forget about getting to $2 or $18. Just crossing $1 for Dogecoin would be mind-boggling for me. And the MicroStrategy, as Dogecoin pushes past the 3-year high, a Canadian company aims to legitimize the meme coin through investment and infrastructure. Now this is exactly what we needed. Dogecoin has so much potential, but at the same time it needs to have some sort of utility so people are actually interested, and when the people want to learn about something, they're more likely to put money into something, and that's exactly what this Canadian firm is trying to do. And if this goes right, let me tell you for a fact, this would have a very positive impact on the Dogecoin price. And Doge is bigger than 15 largest companies in the world, and that includes Ford, Adidas, Lululemon, and even Roblox. Now those are some big companies that we are talking about, but Dogecoin's market cap is sitting at 61 billion, so it is quite a big company at this point. If you talk about the open interest, it's up another 33%, sitting at 2.6 billion, and the long to short ratio, let's say the long traders do not want to give up to those short traders, as 66% is still holding strong even though the price had such a strong run up. Another whale which I've been paying attention to is this one. This was created just yesterday at the price of 20 cents. 22 million put in, and their price, or let's just say their investment, has already doubled in just 24 hours. $20 million profit. This firm is accumulating Dogecoin inspired by the MicroStrategy's Bitcoin buying, and that's exactly been confirmed by another company. So it's not just the Canadian company, but also the American investment company MicroStrategy is being the one that's the Spirit blockchain is following, but they're not trying to do it with Bitcoin, rather they're trying to do the same thing with Dogecoin. Russia, India, Africa advanced their bold plans to sideline the US dollar. And where are they most likely going to go? I mean, it's very clear. Russia is trying to favor in terms of crypto, as even their official bank has clearly confirmed that crypto is going to be more legalized, or it's already legalized in the country. And that's a huge statement coming from the official bank. So therefore, more money is definitely going to flow into crypto from, let's say, Russian side. A post-election landscape, ARK Invest, Ethereum Wood says there are more clarity for investment. Now what's really interesting is Cathie Wood has been trying to get the US government to be more interested in crypto, and that's really good. And let's just say today morning even Elon decided to say good things about her, and that's really good to hear. And India's crypto industry experts, Bitcoin surge to boost the domestic business. If more business is being coming in, well, let's just say the country is going to support what is creating that business. And JP Morgan is excited for what is to come, and I am super excited. I hope you're excited. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you want more. I'll be posting as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.